Joe from Tajmotormedics. I've got a Smart ForTwo here on a 2017-2018 plate. Just doing a stop lamp on this. I'm going to remove the whole thing. It's cold, plus I'm smoking. Now you can see that one there is working. This one here is working as well, but the one on the driver's side isn't working. I'm going to show you how it's done. First of all, switch the ignition off. The bulb and the tools you need is a 380 bulb right there. You can find that in the description. The tools you need is a Torx bit T20. Okay, so if you haven't got one, you can even use a flat screwdriver as well if you wanted to. Just going to take my gloves off. So if you wanted to use a flat screwdriver, you can put a flat screwdriver in there. Just put the light on. So if you look in there, you can see right there. So you can put a flat screwdriver in there as well. But what I'm going to do, I'm going to undo this one, top one first. Just make sure you use the right tool because you don't really want to mess anything up. And then I get this one done. If you did want a bulb, there'd be a link in the description as well. Now, this is the tricky part, okay? So it's only plastic, so you got to be careful. You got to wiggle and pull it towards yourself. And there's a grommet in there, it's like a pin. And then there's one at the top. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to kind of sort of gently pull it. Now you can see that bit there. And then there is one on the bottom as well. So what I'm going to now do is pull the bottom one out as well. So you can see they're both out. Now that is the plug. If you did want to remove the plug, all you do, you get a screwdriver in the back of this. I'm just going to get the same Torx on the back. And then pull the clip back. That's it, it's out. So as you can see now, this one here, this clip here, you need to pull back and then pull the plug at the same time. Now this is how it is. So we're only replacing the top bulb. You can replace other bulbs if you wanted to, but that's the cluster right there. So if you want to replace the other bulbs, you can do it. Now these are the little clips, 1, 2, 3, 4. You pull this back, this back, this back, this back, and then pull the whole thing out. Okay, so that's the bulb we're replacing. Like I said, it's a 80 bulb, which is a double filament one. We're going to just replace this bulb now, get the bulb out, slot the bulb in. Only one way the bulb would go as well, so I'll try both. That's in there, and then I'll slot it in. Just remember the seal around there, around the cluster as well, so make sure that's there. I'm just going to push this right in. Push, 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 and then the last one is a push again. So that's in, and I'll plug it, and then I'll slot it in through the holes, and then push it in, put everything back together. So what I'm going to leave these screws out for a minute. I'm just going to show you, making sure it's working now. As you can see now, that there is working. That's all it was. What else we're doing on this is the H4 bulb for the main div bulb. That's what we're going to do next. I'll do a second part of this video as well for the same car. I'm going to do a second part to it as well. Do check it out. And there is a playlist. I think these are on the Mercedes. So do check that out. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Like the video. Thank you. And goodbye. And stay warm.